but I love what it is doing to my skin, like how my skin feels with it. I love that feeling. It's like a cooling sensation. I love that feeling. So definitely gonna use. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into another Ulta haul. So if you're interested in seeing what some of the things I've gotten, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we talk about fragrances, review fragrances, and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. So if you're interested in those vibes, we would love for you to subscribe. And hey, family, hey, you know, we are brothers, sisters, aunties, uncles, cousins, mama, uncle. We are family around here. So if you are interested in joining this family, we would love for you to subscribe, give the thumbs up, comment down below. We would love to get to know you. Would love to meet you. And hey, family, hey, we're going to get right into it. I have a Ulta haul. And it's going to be a quick little Ulta haul. I picked up some things that I saw that were new and I was interested in getting, and I wanted to share with my family. So here we are. So I did get this from ordering online. So I ordered from Ulta. Did not get in store. Did not even bother to go in store of Ulta of late, just because I figured I don't know if my store would have it. Honestly, just being honest. And I just want to show you all what I have picked up from Ulta. So Triot has some new scrubs, okay? And they have the candy cane scrub, and it's probably a little hard to see. But they also have the frosted cranberry scrub, okay? When I smell, I was really nervous about the candy cane one, just because, you know, when I think of candy cane, I think of mint, right? It's a peppermint. But it's really nice. It's okay. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. And I'm hoping that it might have maybe a minty feeling or like a texture that kind of cools my body when I put the scrub on. So I'm hoping that will be something that comes with this. I'll let you all know in another video. And I say that because I got the Whip Shea body butter. Of course, your sis loves a body butter. But when I put this and I tested this on skin, it did. And I kept saying to myself, I don't know if it's my head, like if it's in my mind, but it gives me this like minty, very cooling sensation.
Make my pores tingle.
In this whipped body butter, and I love it. It like, again, gives like a cooling kind of pepperminty type of feeling. But I will say the scent of it is not my favorite.
What's that smell? What smell? Ooh. You stink.
I don't like it. I like it more in the scrub than I do the body butter, but I love what it is doing to my skin, like how my skin feels with it. I love that feeling. It's like a cooling sensation. I love that feeling. So definitely going to use this, not for the scent. Now, this definitely not for the scent, but I wonder if the cooling sensation happens on this, and it has a really good scent. So I'm excited to use that, okay? Now on to the frosted cranberry. You all, I love this. I actually wish I would have gotten another one. I actually probably need to order another one because I really love this cranberry scent. It is so good. It it actually gives me like almost like a cranberry sugary candy type of feel. It's really, really good. I love this. So happy with the frosted cranberry. Next, because I'm just thinking about maybe I'll do a candy cane kind of concoction. You know, I have to go to the lab and see what I got fragrance wise that can go with this. Anyway, I have the candy cane, and this is the Philosophy brand, and you can use this as a shower gel, a shampoo, and bubble bath, and other things. I won't use it as a shampoo or a bubble bath, but I'm thinking I'm going to use it as a shower gel to test it out. And it gives me that same cooling, nice, it's a nice fragrant candy cane. So I'm thinking about using this for the shower, this for my body butter. Well, actually, sorry. This for the shower, this scrub after that, right? And then this will be my last step as the body butter. So I'm excited to get my life on that. Okay. Then Hempz has, and honey, this is how it came. This is exactly how it came. Look at that. A mess. They can't, like, it's supposed to be closed like this. No, it came like this. Anyway. So if I wanted to give this to somebody, I definitely couldn't because it broke. Next up, I'm glad it was for myself. But Hempz has this limited edition cookie dough, sugar cookie dough body butter. I don't know if you can see that. And then they have this raspberry ribbon jam cookie dough body butter. So I'm excited. You know, I'm a gourmand lover, like a cookie candy cake. Cook a cake. So I'm excited to see what the scent smells like. Let me see if I can even open it. Let's see. Open it on camera to see what it's giving. Oh, and it's, I would think that it would be like a strawberry color, but it's white. Can't see it, but it's white. Nope, I can't smell it heavy. It's not a heavy scent. I can't smell it heavy. Aww. So it's light, y'all. I can't smell it heavy. Ooh, but I can smell this one. Oh, the sugar cookie, I can smell more. Okay, ooh, the sugar cookie, I can smell more. Yeah, the sugar cookie, I can smell more than I can smell the raspberry one. I wish the raspberry was red. Like, why is it white? I mean, I can't even see it, but there. It's white. You know, why? I don't really smell it heavy. So it's light. Both of them are light, but this of the sugar cookie smells more prominent than the raspberry ribbon jam. Okay, well, glad it's little and it's limited edition, so I wanted to make sure I picked that up. And last but certainly not least, I got the new Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb Ice. You all can see that. So this is a supposed to be a cooling sensation lip gloss, and I tried to see if I could get this in Chicago. I was in Chicago, but I could not get it. So I got it now, and so it's supposed to give you this cooling sensation. Because I have some lip on right now, I don't want to put it on and mess up the applicator or whatever. I don't want to mess that up right now. Anyway, I am happy to have this. I hope that, you know, I've had an experience with Fenty and the lip plumping and the burning sensation. I don't know why anybody would want that. I just don't understand that. It burns! It burns us! I don't understand why you would want your lips to be burning. Anyway, not for me to understand. It ain't my business. But I hope that this cooling one kind of is good. I hope it's good. So I'm excited, and I picked that up from Ulta. Well, that's all, family. Just real quick haul of what recent things that I've gotten in body care and some lip beads. So let me know, have you purchased anything from Ulta? Is there anything that you're like, hey, for fall season, Christmas season, hey sis, pick this up? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to know what you're thinking, what you're picking up, what you're buying. So make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And family, be good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. All right. Love you, family. You have a wonderful day. Bye, family.